actually lose weight without working out? Well, absolutely, you definitely can. Now, is this the best approach to weight loss? In the course of today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can lose weight without working out, and if this is the best approach to weight loss. I'll also identify what is the best approach to weight loss. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Chisom. I'm a biochemist and I'm an online fitness coach with over 4 years of experience. I help women globally through the help of this online space to achieve their desired fat loss result. I help women turn their fitness excuses to success. You're definitely in the right place if you actually want to achieve your desired fitness result. So do well to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Yes, today's video was based on popular demand. Okay, in our community, this video got the highest votes. Most people were more interested in this topic. That is why I went ahead to make this video. So let's dive into it. Now, how can you lose weight without working out, without stepping into the gym? This approach is for you if you're very busy, you're very much on the big side, you don't have time to work out. You can actually lose weight without stepping into the gym. How? By following the right nutrition plan. So just being in a calorie deficit with your nutrition plan, you can actually lose weight even without working out, because the area of nutrition makes up 70% of the gain when it comes to fat loss. You cannot outtrain a poor diet. You have to do it right in the area of your nutrition for you to lose body fat. You may even be working out, going to the gym, and you're not seeing any progress. You're not making any progress. Rather, you may even be gaining weight. Why? Because you're not getting it right in the area of nutrition. Is that important? I see many people, once they're like, oh, I want to start my fat loss journey, the next thing that comes to their head is for them to hit the gym, get a gym membership, start working out, everything. They neglect what they are eating. No. If be working out all the workout, you would not get that result, that kind of results that you're looking for if your nutrition is not right. Now, if you are focusing on your nutrition for fat loss, you want to follow a nutrition plan that is sustainable for you. Okay, because I see that many people, when they say your nutrition must be right, the next thing is to go and be starving themselves. Is to go and be eating very little. They'll be eating like birds. No. You don't need to starve yourself and all of that. You just need to follow something that is sustainable for you. Now, you want to design your nutrition plan like this. You want it to be that if you're somebody that maybe you like to skip breakfast, it's okay. You can do lunch and dinner. For those of you that you deal with binge eating all through the day, you're always looking for something to munch and put inside your mouth. You want a nutrition plan that allows you to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, because this is going to help you build a healthy relationship with food. It's going to help you learn how to portion your food right and be in a calorie deficit, because the approach at which you use to lose weight will determine if you would keep the weight off for life. You cannot be in a weight loss journey forever. So after you've lost weight, you now have to be in a place where you're going to maintain the weight. Now, many people, after they lose weight, they tend to gain the weight back. Why? Because they followed an approach that is more of a quick fix. If you are here and what you are doing is that you are starving yourself, you are eating very little just because you want to lose weight. After you've lost the weight, chances are that you will end up gaining the weight back because you did not follow a nutrition plan that supports you learning how to eat right, learning how to portion your food right, and build a healthier relationship with food. So you want to make sure that you are actually following the right approach to weight loss if you desire to actually keep the weight off for life. Now, I offer a standard nutrition plan for those of you that you desire a nutrition plan that allows you to eat your everyday Nigerian foods while still achieving your fat loss results. If you are confused of what should I eat, I don't know what to eat, I'm always confused of how do I pair my food, how do I portion my food, everything is on this meal plan. It also shows you how many calories per the portion of food, so it keeps you on track. Many ladies that follow this nutrition plan have gotten amazing results, and there are so many testimonials from ladies that have followed this nutrition plan. So if you want it, you can check the description box below for the link to the meal plan. Now, if you fall under this category of women, please listen, because this approach of only focusing on your nutrition without working out is actually not the best for everyone. Yes, if you're an average size woman, you're not so much on the very big side, you're more average size, but you just have some problem areas that you like to lose while maintaining your curves, this approach may not be the best for you. Why? Because if you're only focusing on the area of nutrition, you're going to just lose overall weight. You're going to lose weight everywhere. So it actually makes you susceptible to being skinny fat because you just focus on nutrition, you didn't work out. Now, the type of workout also matters. Listen, if you're someone that you're only doing cardio, you're just skipping, jogging, taking a walk, and being in a calorie deficit with your meal plan, you would lose weight everywhere. This approach is okay for you if you have so much weight to lose. This approach is okay. You can do cardio, you can just be active, move, and follow the nutrition plan that allows you to be in a calorie deficit, and you will lose weight. So if you've lost a good amount of weight and you now want to tone up, this set of women, they've lost a good amount of weight and they now want to tone up, you want to like build your curves, look more curvy, and lose the remaining stubborn belly fat, it's best that you pair the right nutrition plan with a structured workout routine. Emphasis on structured workout routine, because you need to follow the right structured workout routine to actually lose body fat while maintaining your curves. You're looking at incorporating strength training workouts. Even if you're doing home workouts or workouts in the gym, you should like incorporate strength training workouts. You structure your workouts so that you're having 2 glutes workouts days and 1 upper body workouts day and a full body strength training workouts day. You also do cardio for your warm-up. So that is how you're actually going to be able to lose fat while preserving your curves, maintaining your shape. Okay, so if you know that this is what you desire and in your mind you are saying that, oh, I just want to focus on nutrition, I don't want to work out at all, hey, you will end up being skinny fat. Skinny fat I'm talking about is that you lose weight everywhere and you can be like kind of flabby or soft in some areas and not be looking all toned up or firm. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're pairing a structured workout routine with your nutrition plan. Remember, I identified some category of women. Let me reiterate it for you guys. The first category is the ladies that you are more on the very, very big side. You have a ton of weight to lose. You can start out with the right nutrition plan. You can start out by focusing on learning how to build a good relationship with food, portioning your food right, and just be active during the day, and you start seeing the weight drop. Now, the other category of women are for my ladies that you've lost a ton of weight, you want to be more toned, you want to look more firm, you're more average size, you want to lose weight while maintaining your curves. Hey, you have to incorporate a structured workout routine while following the right nutrition plan to lose weight the right way, to lose fat, to lose body fat the right way. So I'm sure by now you've identified what category you fall under. I would also add that even the ladies that are much more on the big side, incorporating workout with the right nutrition plan would also help support the rate at which you lose body fat. It would help you lose weight a bit more faster. Let me use that word, yes. Because let's say, I'll give an example. Let's say with your nutrition plan, you're eating on a 1,500 calorie meal plan. That means you are on a 500 calorie deficit. Then in the area of workouts, after your workouts for the day, you're on a 300 calorie deficit. So altogether, at the end of the day, you end up being on an 800 calorie deficit. So you see that this also speeds up the rate at which you lose weight. It actually aids your weight loss journey. So yes, you can definitely lose weight without working out. But if you fall under the category of women which I identified in the course of today, this may not be the best approach for you. Okay, I hope today's video really enlightened you. For those of you that would like to get a copy of the weight loss meal plan, do well to click the link in the description box below to get it. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Hit the like button so that this video can reach other women that would really need this information, and do well to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you on my next video. Toodles!